Okay, so if you missed the Thursday assignment lesson, you weren't there in person, here's a quick review of what we did so you can do it on your own. So once you're in your class, make sure you're on the classwork tab and you want to go to the Thursday assignment. Okay, so what you guys want to do is click on view assignment. Mine's going to look a little different, so I'm not going to click on it because I don't want it to confuse you. And then you want to open up the calculator tutorial. All right, so it should look something like this. If yours is smaller, so it looks like this when you first open it, you change it by going to the zoom, this little magnifying glass. I click on 100. And then you might just have to scroll to get to the top. So in class, we also made sure that our calculators were up and working. We pressed on, turn the calculator on, let me clear it out. Okay. And we actually skipped over this one that was just in case. The one thing I did talk about was second mode. So if I'm using, let's say I'm on the y equals, and clear isn't working, because I know you guys are good at clear. If you hit second mode, it will clear the screen, and you can get back to your home screen. So we really started with number 4. It says above every button, there's a word or symbol. Part A, what button do you press to access the blue symbols? We talked about how you use the blue button to access the blue words or symbols. So that button is called the second button. So you want to kind of double click in that box and you're going to type second. And then we looked at 4B. What button do you press to access the green symbols? So the green button right here underneath the second button is called your alpha button. So we're going to double click here. Type ALPHA, and that is our alpha button. We just answered question 4. Question 5, we talk about how to put exponents in our calculator. And we talk about this caret button. It's used to raise a number to a power. A power is like an exponent. To use the caret button correctly, type the number, then the caret symbol. The caret symbol is right here underneath the clear button. I have a little arrow pointing to a picture right there. So part A, find 4 to the third power. So we're going to press, tells us to press 4, the caret symbol, and then the power. 4, the caret symbol, and you'll know you did it right when you get a small exponent box up like to the corner of the 4, and then type in the exponent that you need. Hit enter and it will tell you what 4 to the third power is. 4 to the third power means I'm multiplying the number 4 3 times. So it's a shortened way of writing 4 times 4 times 4. Hit enter, I get 64. So then we're going to double click in here and type 64. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for 2 to the 5th and 5 to the 7th. 5th power, I'm going to do both of them at the same time, and then 5 to the 7th power. Okay, so the first answer is 32, the second answer is 78,125. So 32, double click, 78125, and I've just answered question number 5. All right, sorry, answered question number 4. Now for question number 5. There is a shortcut when you want to square things, okay? So if you need to square a number or something to the second power, there is a shortcut button. In class, I mentioned you do not have to do this button, but if you like it, you can use it. Because the caret button, okay, so will also work. I can do this, 14, caret button 2, and do 14 squared, but the shortcut is 14 and this x squared button right here. This x squared button will not type an x, it will just type the exponent 2, like that. And you'll notice you get the same answer. So in this case, it's just to show you a shortcut. If you choose not to use it, that is okay. And then we did 16 squared and 19 squared. And 19. So 256 and 361. Okay, so that's what we really did together. And then what I told the class to do was to try the graphing calculator tutorial practice on their own, and then to turn it in at the end of class. So when you go to turn things in, don't forget you have to go back to the Google assignment and click that turn in button. If you're not sure, because mine looks different, but I posted a video right here on your stream. So if you're confused on how to turn things in, please watch that or contact me so I can help you through it. Okay, so just make sure this is the assignment to do on your own, typing this stuff in, typing in the answers, and please turn it in and you'll get credit for the Thursday assignment. Again, any questions, contact me, guys, and I'll be happy to help. Bye.